Watch me transfer this my dry matted hair to this super moisturized hydrate hair with only but one ingredient. This one ingredient have helped to bring my hair back to life, moisturize my hair, hydrate my hair and promote hair growth. I rented with you. Our main ingredient on today's video is okra. I believe that a lot of people know this okra. Okra is a very delicious food in Nigeria. We use it to prepare very delicious soup. So it's not only to use this okra to prepare a very delicious soup. You can also use this okra to grow your hair, detangle your hair, moisturize your hair, condition your hair, and so many other benefits will be gotten on using this okra on your hair. So I'm going to show you one way to use this okra to grow your hair like never before, to say bye-bye with dry matted hair. So first of all, I'll wash this my okra twice to remove dirty and impurities, because I buy this okra in the market, it comes with dirty and dust. So it's very necessary I wash it twice so that I'll be 100% sure that this okra is super clean before I start dicing it into a small sizable. After washing it, I transfer into this plate and bring this another bowl to slice my okra into a small tiny sizable. It's also very important to dice your okra into a small sizable so that it can be easy for preparation. So I'm going to dice my okra. As you can see, I'm doing it. Once I come out the one that is strong, I will remove it away. Like that one is super strong, so my knife cannot cut it. I need to discard that one and continue dicing my okra. Keep on watching. I will take you step by step on how to make this okra, to use it to grow your hair, to say bye-bye to dry hair, matted hair, revive your hair, bring your hair back to life. Only this one ingredient. The result we got on using this ingredient on your hair is mind-blowing. This okra is very effective in growing your hair, especially if you are struggling with dry hair, matted hair, coarse hair. This is the next option that you need to hug with, and believe me, you will see amazing results on it. You will never regret coming across this video. Just watch this video to the end to get the whole instruction on how to use it to get best results, and also how to apply it to get best results, and how to prepare it also to get best results. After dicing my whole okra, this is what I have so far. I have diced all of them. This is what I have so far. So next thing now, I bring my pots to transfer in my pots. A lot of people was asking, can I do this without boiling it? It's very necessary you boil your okra so that it can kill any bacteria on it. Okay, just boil it a little. Don't allow it to stay on fire for a very long time. I'm going to boil mine only about 5 to 6 minutes. Once in 5 to 6 minutes, I brought it down. You can see it's still very greenish and it's still very okay. I did not boil it to cool. I did not boil it to done very well. I just boil it half done so that heat can kill any bacteria that can cause any further harm on my hair. That is necessary of boiling this okra. You cannot skip this part, okay? So after allowing this okra to cool down a little bit, I'm going to transfer it into my blender. As you can see also, I did not add too much water while boiling my okra. These are not that thing that you need to do. Don't add too much water before boiling your okra. After blending it off camera, I'll bring my shifter and my bowl to collect my okra gel. Do you see how this is very slimy and very thick? That's how the gel will come out, super thick. But if you want your own to be running, to be watery, while boiling it, you can add more water. But believe me, having it in this form is a very great idea. It will help you not to be messing up around, okay? So I'm going to squeeze it very well to get all the gel out of this okra residues or okra chaff. Okra is rich in vitamin A, C, and K. It contains calcium and potassium. It also has a lot of other nutrients that are amazing for your hair growth. It's amazing at moisturizing a dry hair, and add moisture to your hair. Using okra on your hair is a very great conditioner. Okra is a very great conditioner, a great detangler. You can use okra to detangle your hair and so many other benefits, like as I said earlier. After squeezing my okra gel, this is how the gel look like. Very thick, very slimy, as you can see. I bring this bowl now to transfer my okra gel so that you see how thick and slimy this okra gel is. You don't need to do too much before you can have that healthy hair. You don't need to do too much before you can solve that your dry matted hair problem. Only this one ingredient will help you to solve your hair problems. Believe me, you will love the after result of using this on your hair. If you have not tried this before, I motivate you today to go and give it a try, and you come and tell me thank you, because the result we got in using this on your hair is mind-blowing. Especially if your hair is super dry, you will see how your hair will transform. After transferring it into this applicator bottle, this is the stage of my hair. Watch me use this one ingredient to moisturize my hair, hydrate my hair, bring this my hair back to life. Do you see how dry, crunchy this my hair is, and what the magic with using only this one ingredients? So first of all, I like sessioning my hair. I always say working in session is a very great idea, because you are very sure that the product or any product you are using on your hair have really penetrated on your hair very well. So I like working in session. So I'm going to session my hair in 4 sessions so that it can be easy for me to apply this product on my hair. So my hair is super dry. For this product to penetrate very well on my hair, I'm going to hydrate my hair with this water first. Use this water to spray on my hair. This water I'm using to spray on my hair is warm water, is not room temperature water. I like the water to be a little bit warm so that it can help this product to do very well on my hair, so it can help my hair cuticles to be more open, okay, and so that this product, so that my hair can absorb this product very well. So after using my water to spray on my hair to hydrate my hair, is not just to damp my hair, okay. So I'm going to apply this on my hair. This is how thick it is. Just watch the magic happen. Watch, see how my hair transform in only one application time. Do you see? This also helps to define your coils. Guys, if you have been sleeping on this ingredient, you need to wake up, because this is a great detangler and also a great conditioner and also a great core definition and also a great DIY hair growth recipe. Like as I said earlier, there are different way you can use this recipe on your hair, this one ingredient on your hair, to do a lot of things and to get a lot of benefits on your hair. And I guarantee you, any of the method you use this ingredient on your hair, I guarantee you a great result. You will see how your hair will transform. As you can see, this okra gel have helped to define my coils, and the great surprise and the great shock, you see the shedding I'll be gotten after the whole detangle my hair. Like as you see, my hair is super dry, super matted, as you can see. So after applying it on my hair, I give myself a little finger detangle before I follow up with my white tooth comb. So it's very necessary, no matter the type of product you are using, no matter the amount of sleep product you are using on your hair, and also your hair is super dry and matted, please, after applying that product, before you take your white tooth comb or before you take your hair brush to start combing that hair, do not hesitate or do not forget to do finger detangle first before you can use your tools to comb your hair, because that finger detangle helps a lot in reducing shedding, and also it helps a lot finding a knot wherever you see knot on your hair. It helps you to use your hand and separate that knot peaceful way without to breaking or knacking your hair. But if you are using white tooth comb straight without to do finger detangle, believe me, you'll be seeing a lot of hair on the floor, or you will see a lot of hair on your comb or on your brush, because you are not helping it. You are not helping that sleep to do a good work for you not to see a lot of breakage on your hair. I hope I'm making sense. In all, I'm trying to say that before you comb your hair, do not forget to first of all do finger detangle. It helps a lot. So I continue apply this on my hair. Do you see that I'm not messing up my body that so much, because this is very thick. If this is a very liquid form, believe me, all my body and on the floor will be so messy. This is not my first time trying this okra gel on my hair or okra conditioner on my hair. I have tried severally, and also I have a video on the channel why I apply okra on my hair. So it's so messy, okay? It's so messy. So I will advise you why applying this. If you're not ready to clean up the place, if you're not ready to mess up everywhere, just kindly go into your bathroom and stay in your bathroom and apply this on your hair. After applying it, it's so easy for you to flush out with water. But if you are sitting in your wherever in your house without, except in your bathroom, believe me, after applying it, you're going to do a lot of work by cleaning up everywhere. So I had to be here to film this video because the bulb in my bathroom just faded out, okay? So I have not replaced the bulb in my bathroom. That's why I'm here filming this video for you guys. But luckily for me, I did not do a lot of mess because this okra gel is super thick. It's hardly I made a mess, okay? So I continue applying this all over my hair. Make sure that I coat these ingredients or this conditioner, this great amazing conditioner, all over my hair before I will finger detangle and follow up with my white tooth comb. If you don't have aloe vera plants in your house and you always buy aloe vera, you agree with me that aloe vera is very expensive. So the next option for you is to use this okra on your hair. Okra gel is the next alternative way that can help you. It will do that great work that aloe vera will do to your hair. So stop spending too much money on aloe vera, because aloe vera plant is very expensive, okay? Especially in my area. I don't know the area you are, but in my area is very expensive. I don't have aloe vera plants or aloe vera pots in my house. So my next option is always this okra. Is my lifesaver, and I'll get a great result that I'm supposed to have while using the okra gel or okra mask on my hair. Guys, you don't need to spend too much money. You don't need to break the bank for you to have that healthy hair. Like as always said, this one ingredient will help you a lot in your hair growth journey. Like as I said, there's different way you can use this okra gel on your hair, and I'll be letting you know before this video will runs out. So this is how my hair is so far. This is the last section of the hair, so I'm trying to comb it very well now so that you see how softening. As you can see how easily it is for comb to glide on my hair, and you see the coil definition this okra gel give to me. Guys, this is a lifesaver. If you have not tried before, I motivate you to go and give it a try, and you will never regret trying okra gel or okra mask on your hair. Believe me. Do you see how my hair is now? My hair is super hydrated, super moisturized. My hair is back to life thanks to this okra. Only this one ingredient. As you can see, I did not add it any other thing. My hair is so shiny, so soft, so amazing. I'm super happy at the result I got so far. I'm so happy how this okra have transformed my hair. As you can see, I did not add any additional recipe or any additional thing, even oil. I did not add anything on this okra gel. But while preparing your own, if you want to add oil on it, feel free to add oil, because it's only oil is another alternative thing you can add on it, or your essential oil, either your carrier oil or your DIY hair growth oil or your essential oil. You are free to go, but I do not add mine, and you see the great moisturized my hair is. You see how shining, softening, my hair is, and how coil definition my hair is. Guys, I'm loving my hair. I won't lie to you, I'm super excited at the result I got so far. But you know that I like always massaging my scalp. No matter what I apply on my hair, I always like to give myself that little scalp massage to also to activate the ingredients more. So after that, I also section my hair back, and I use this my thick cellophane nylon to cover my hair to attract some heat, so that this will penetrate my hair and do more great work it can do on my hair. Do you see the little shedding I got in the tangle this hair? In my whole hair, that is a little shedding I got. Is it not amazing? So after leaving this on my hair for 1 hour, it can leave it less than 1 hour, but I choose to leave my 1 hour. Sometimes I leave it on my hair for 2 hours. It depends on my schedule on that day. But on today, I leave it only but 1 hour, and I'm in bathroom now to rinse it out. The amazing result I got once I pour water on my hair is so amazing. My hair feels so soft, my hair feels so shiny, my hair feels so amazing. The results I got is so on point, guys. After now, the next thing I will do now, after rinsing it on my hair, the next thing I will do now, follow up to condition my hair, and I'm good to go. Okay, like as I promised that I'll tell you more tips on how you can use this okra on your hair. You can use this as a leave-in condition, you can use it as a pre-poo, you can use this as a detangler, you can use it as a hair mask, you can use it as a pre-poo, like as I said before. Okay, and in all this you are going to have amazing results. So this is how my hair is looking like. I have finished rinsing it out. At this point, I use it as a detangler because I've washed my hair for some days. I don't have chance to condition my hair, and my hair turned to so tangle and so dry. So this is my lifesaver. That's why I use this okra. Okay, so my hair is clean. So the next I need to do now is to condition my hair. Okay, if necessary. I don't condition my hair always. So guys, this will be ending today's video. I hope you find this video helpful. If you have not subscribed, please match that subscribe button now and make sure you turn on your post notification bell. Believe me, you will never regret joining this beautiful family. I teach how to grow your hair with DIYs, healthy, longer and fuller, without to break the bank, and the results is mind-blowing. Let's grow our hair together. Let's do the journey together. I myself am into the journey of growing my hair to waist length, so let's do the journey together and subscribe. Okay, and you want to love it here. If you have not liked this video, please help me to click on that like button. It really encourages me and motivates me more to upload more video out there. Okay, more great video idea that we love, that will help you to grow your hair. And share this video to your family and friends, to your loved ones, so that they can get the good news on today's video. So guys, I love you guys so much, but God loves you more. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye. Mwah.
Saturday was spent in a bar.